What's going on? This is Josh Cote over at Ballantine, here with another Marketing Minute. So in today's Marketing Minute, we're going to dive into account-based marketing, which seems to be a pretty big trend going into 2019. So at a really high level, account-based marketing is the strategy to customize your marketing campaign towards a certain prospect that really fits your company's strengths. We're seeing many industries shift towards this account-based marketing strategy. These include industries such as SaaS, B2B tech, manufacturing, and pharmaceutical. So one piece to grab the attention of a high-level executive prospect would be a three-dimensional video player. Now this piece gives the ability for you to showcase any products and services that are really strong points for your company, where it could be promotional videos or demonstrations of your technology. It also gives you the ability to show different videos and has a top part for inserts for any information. Often one of the hardest parts is breaking through all of the clutter and getting your product and service in front of your potential customer. This direct mail piece has the ability to do so and will increase your conversion rate. That concludes my Marketing Minute. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and social media channels. Thanks a lot.